Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So guys, today I'm going to unbox the Paytm Mall MSI laptop. Here we go. So guys, this is the gaming laptop of MSI Ge73RF. So guys, this is the box. It does have a taping of this orange color, and there is a bill, and we will open it. Let's open this, and it's now going to open. So guys, this is the MSI box. I have finally opened it, and as you can see, this taping, MSI transparent taping. And let's open this box. I will use a knife to open this box. So here we get the main box, And here is the MSI bag from which you can keep your laptop. I will give a video on it soon. We will keep it aside and we will take the box out carefully, and let's keep this box aside. As you can see, here's a tape and the MSI box look premium. So guys, we have opened the box and we will get the laptop here, as you can see. And here's the laptop manual from which you can read and set up your gaming laptop. And here we get the logo, and let's keep this aside. And this is the laptop, which is in the polythene black color. And let's go. And here we get the laptop. We will take it out. Here's the laptop, which is more covered, so much of safety, because it is pretty much expensive. And let's take it out. Now I will take it out, and here you go. And here's your laptop, guys. Let's open this and see what's inside it. And here's the warranty card. This is the warranty card, MSI warranty card, as you can see, quick start guide. And let's take it out and let's see what is inside it. And here you get the power adapter. And let's see, guys, here's the cable, which is so good. And let's take out, and here's the wire. Here's the laptop, guys. Let's take it out and let's see what is it. This is a very shiny laptop, as you can see, guys. We will now set up the laptop. First we will see the back side of the laptop. As you can see, the sticker above it and the logo of MSI. And here's the many fans, so that if you do much hours of gaming, so that it doesn't get heated and do not affect the performance of the laptop, as you can see. Now let's take a look inside the laptop, what's there, and let's set up. And now it is opened. So as you can see, a cloth here, and this is the screen you get. Let's remove the cloth, and it is removed. And here we get our keyboard, and let's remove this also, this foam. We will keep it back. Now it's kept back, and let's open the laptop from here. It is the power button from which you can start your laptop. I don't know why it's not starting, guys, because it is not charged. So guys, now we will set it up. So guys, I have kept it on charging. As you can see, the green light is working. It means that your laptop is charging and you can start it. And here the white light, which looks very good. So guys, this was all for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So bye.